Hi Wayne, it's Jor-El giving you a little video follow-up from Audi Winnipeg here. So you selected the 2018 Audi Q5 Technic in Daytona Gray Metallic, so great choice, love the color. If we take a look at the car here are the options. It comes with a comfort interior package with S-Line, the S-Line Sport package, the driver assistant package, adaptive air suspension, head-up display, and those are the options. So it is fully loaded. Kilometers only 1,564, so very, very low. So here's a breakdown of the cost of the vehicle. So we're going to save you $2,500. Your total is $65,543.25. 84 months at 3.9% biweekly. Total is $338.14. Just so you know, the Manitoba package is your summer mats, winter mats, locking wheel nuts, boot tray, first aid kit, and nitrogen in your tire, because everybody asks what that is. And that's with $15,000 down. So I will give you a call and let me know, and we can make this really easy. Thank you. Bye for now.